This is a Avis 9265 monoblock D-shackle padlock. That's the bidding for it. It's not sprung, but you know, it's a decent size, pretty heavy padlock. To try to get into it, I'm going to use the covert instruments turning tool in 32 thousandths and the number 3 hook from the Reaper set. So let's see what we can do. Get that in there. Make sure that's in the right direction there. So nothing on 1, nothing on 2. Something out of 3, 4, 5. There's 1. 2, 3. I dropped 4, I think. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I might have overset 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 1. We're back into the full set. 2, 3, 4. And I just had to tap 5 up just a little bit and it's open. But that is the Avis 9265.